The NCIC summoned the Right Honorable Raila Odinga over the statements that he made in Wajir last week. And as you all remember, the Right Honorable former Prime Minister apologized for the use of the word madoadoa, and he acknowledged our summons. He was originally to take place yesterday, but he said that he is away from Kenya, and once he comes back, then we'll have time with him where he will explain to us and talk to Kenyans what really he meant. India has become the place where hate mongers are very active. And so we are monitoring this closely, and we have identified that as 6. And working with the communications agency and Meta, we are very actively monitoring and tracking these cases. And some of those that will be found to be in contravention, the Communications Authority, in its as part of its mandate, will pull them down.
The Commission is closely monitoring the following identified hotspot areas in Kisumu, Kericho, and Nandi County. We urge the security teams to be alert and deal with the criminals and individuals behind the intercommunal conflicts occasioned by stock theft and incitements. We are aware of the objectives behind such vices.